Hello, my name is John Kelly of the Kelly Law Team. Today I wanted to talk to you about helicopter crashes. Helicopter crashes are tragic events that often garner big attention. When we see a helicopter crash, we are often wondering, how did it happen? And families that are involved in these crashes want to have answers. So I wanted to go over a few things with you today, just to give you some ideas if you are in this tragic situation and your family's going through it, to have some ideas of what you can do. First, keep in mind that helicopter crashes are so complex as far as a personal injury perspective because there's so many parties that are often involved that could be at fault for the accident. So we look at the design of the helicopter, we look at the manufacturer of the helicopter, could be the operator or the pilots, could be the maintenance company, and it could be the airport, the crew at the airport. So there's different parties that are often involved. And what that means is that sometimes, and almost always actually, there's going to be multiple states involved because the manufacturer of the helicopter may be in Illinois and the operator may be out of California. So when you're searching for a lawyer, it's important to find an expert in the area of helicopter crashes. It's not as important to worry about what state they're out of because any attorney that you end up hiring is going to have a multi-state case. And that kind of brings us to filing the lawsuit. And one great thing about filing a lawsuit in this kind of case is that you can effectuate change. Not only are you looking for compensation for your family, to make sure that you are taking care of the future, you're looking to change the way that these helicopter operators interact with the community so that others are safe in the future. So if you're looking at for instance, where the negligence happened, it could be the manufacturer of the helicopter. In that case, you may file the lawsuit there, and you may have an attorney in a different state, or you may figure out where the corporations incorporated that manufactured the vehicle, and maybe that's in Washington, and there's a decision to make. And so that's a legal decision of where you would want to file the lawsuit. There's multiple parties involved. That you may have lawsuits against multiple entities. So there's a lot of complexities there that can be simplified if you focus on making sure you are hiring an attorney that is fully aware of how to handle the complexities and navigate these type of cases. Another point to consider is what evidence we are able to gather in the case. And it's very important to piece together all the parts of the case into a puzzle that makes sense of how the accident happened. And so we need to look at what experts are going to need to be involved to hold those accountable that may be liable. And any law firm that does these cases understands that there's experts that could be out of any state that are the best in the industry to say what is the standard for manufacturing a helicopter or what is the standard for flying the helicopter. All these experts need to come together. So there really needs to be a big team put together that can kind of pursue the case and get the right evidence that we need to build a solid case so that you can make sure that you're effectuating change and getting maximum compensation for this type of accident. If you do find yourself in this unfortunate situation of a helicopter accident, please feel free to reach out with other questions that you may have for us. We do look at these cases very carefully and focus on them. If you want to reach us, you can always find us at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.